Welcome to our Accounts Receivables Insights app, where you'll receive all the essential insights to optimise cash flow and ensure your business gets paid on time. At the home screen, you'll see a menu of our racy pre-built accounts receivables reports that will help with different aspects of accounts receivables to quickly find the information you need. This includes before, overdue balances, receivables trends and ageing, and paid receivables statistics. Please note that you'll have to configure the aging groups in the Power BI Connected BC to get the full benefits of the Accounts Receivables app. Follow the instructions here. Let's take a closer look at just some of the features of some highlighted reports. Before starting, select the company you'd like to use on the left-hand side. All reports will have a menu on the left-hand side displaying the most commonly used filters, including fiscal year, month, due fiscal year and due month, area, Dimension 1, industry, Dimension 2. The receivables overview gives us the total amount customers have to pay us. As we can see here, 71% of our invoices are overdue. We need to fire the receivables person. You see in these reports that the red demonstrates overdue amounts and the grey demonstrates before due amounts. Balance by customer is a useful graph which shows us how and which customer owes us the most money and is the most overdue. We can decide to block them in BC. Over to the right shows us which salesperson is managing the overdue accounts. The table on the right-hand side is useful overview of customers based on country and percentage of overdue balances. In the receivables table, it shows us customers sorted by total open balances, and you can view the trend by due date. We can see on average how late they are in paying their account in these columns. Let's have a look at the School of Fine Art, where we can drill down into transactions showing us how often they pay late and what their percentage is. These guys usually pay their invoices within 34 days, even though 95% of the current invoices are presently overdue. To see open customer ledger entries, drill through here. They have around 230,000 overdue. The Receivables Aging Report is a handy table to view customer open balances by due period. Drill up to see when invoices are due in aging groups, and drill down to see balances by due month, due week and due date. Before due and overdue reports show us the current open invoices with due dates and how many days left to pay. On the right-hand side, you can see by aging buckets. Filter the data on the donut chart before and overdue invoices, which will give you the before and overdue invoices, and you can see on the table for when they are due. Let's click on those due between 2 and 7 days to show customers owing within these due dates. The Receivables by Currency report shows us balances by different currencies, along with an itemised list of invoices including doc number and due date, etc. The Document Application Analysis report shows us applied amounts by customers, when they were applied before due date or overdue. We can clearly see here that there has been over 32 million in payments, 7 million were paid overdue, and on average it took 16 days to close an invoice. This report is different from the rest of the Accounts Receivables reports. As we can see on the left-hand side, you can select the document type. This will filter the visual reports you see here. Let's say we want to view the payments applied to invoices. Select here. Or show me how many invoices were applied with a credit memo. You just need to select here. The Receivables Trends report shows customer open balances over time. We see up the top here the average overdue days for invoices to be paid, that being 271 days. In the bottom graph, we see balances made before and overdue in the last 6 months. In the right-hand side bottom graph, we see the average days to collect against actual days closed in one nice graph. Click to expand and right-click to drill through to customer ledger entries. Our Customer Statistics report gives us a handy table of sales and invoice amounts, with and without tax. Any discounts, credit memos, refunds, reminders, payment discounts, etc. Everything you could want to know about your customers in one handy table. Click on the customer to show how much we sell month by month. It also shows the method by which payments are being made: cash, PayPal, etc. The Receivables by Dimension report enables you to see invoices before due and overdue by any dimension. Click on a customer to see visually how their open balances are tracking over time in area or industry, etc. Open the Balance Deep Dive and we can drill down to see any attribute in any order. For accounts receivables, you can display before, due and overdue balances, the aging due date, region and customer, etc. Every app has its own Q&A section. If you have any questions, ask the Q&A and check out our video on our intelligent Q&A called Eva. Want more? Let us know. We're constantly adding to and improving our reports.